Hi folks, the Kayaking Kid here. Thanks very much for the support. On this occasion, due to the international audience this video will appeal to, I used a robotic voiceover. In this video I analyze power banks and jump starters for use for camping. I balanced the price, actual capacity and functionality and came out with what I think is the best all-rounder for camping. The quoted milliamp hours in these listing are false. When choosing, look out for over-exaggerated capacity ratings, and avoid. You will need a good capacity and functionality. The main functions being robust and able to withstand a certain abuse. It will also benefit from being able to be charged via USB while camping, enabling solar charging. Quick charge helps, as does a 12-volt output for accessories. When choosing, you will need to be very careful with the quoted milliamp hour rating. This rating is only useful when quoted with the voltage the amp hours were calculated with. A better indicator is watt hours. This is amp hours multiplied by volts. The higher the watt hours, the higher the actual capacity. I compared the top sellers and highest rated jump starters and power banks. I then put them into this spreadsheet comparing various key elements. I based my decision on which one to buy, on capacity and watt hours, cost per watt hour, functionality and bundled accessories. This is the one I chose. It is the Yarbo IR400 jump starter. It has 74 watt-hour capacity, costs £59.49, equating to 80 pence per watt-hour. It also has Quick Charge 3.0 and can be charged via USB and solar. USB cables are included, as is a 12-volt socket.
Back to the Kayaking Kid's voice for the unboxing.
Okay, the new.
There's the box, and here is the jump starter. Now the jump starter is also a USB charger as well. You know, it has two QC3 ports, which is USB ports, and it's a quick charge. This is the wee kind of pack it comes in. Pretty cool, yep. And this is the actual jump starter itself. Pretty well built and nice solid plastic. IP68, which means it's waterproof under pressure, and this is the ports we have access to. So we've got the output, which will take the charging cable, or the booster cables for the car. There's instructions on that. There is two QC3 outputs, like I say, the XT plug, and two inputs as well, Type C and a mini. This is other accessory you get with it, which gives me a cigarette socket, which is just plugged into the XT socket here. There you go, dead simple. I've now got 12 volts DC. This is a power. You press that, you can check your capacity. 4 nice LEDs light up there, and those light up when you're charging. You hold the button and you have a torch. It takes about 3 or 4 seconds. Your two lights come on in your torch. They are LEDs as well. They're not particularly bright, but they're probably a lot brighter outside. And they're also behind flush, so you can't bump them or break them or whatever. Press it again and it goes to a slow strobe. Press it again and it goes to a fast strobe. Again and it's off.
Silly cow. Like, subscribe and come to Scotland for a paddle.